going on, guys? So today we're going for a little bit of a drive. We're gonna go meet up with one of my buddies with a Audi S5. It's a B8.5, and he's got quite a lot of mods done to it. Like, I was just taking a look at the mod list he sent me. It's pretty much full bolt-on aside from meth. It's full bolt-on, ultracharged, ported blower, dual pulley, test pipes, high pressure fuel pump, heat exchanger. So there's quite a lot done to it. It's supposed to be around 500 wheel. He said it's about 480 right now. So obviously there's a big power difference there. There's about over 120 wheel horsepower difference between his car and my car. So it's going to be interesting to see, you know, the two different power bands of the cars. His is actually supercharged, obviously, so he's gonna get that hit, that dirty hit right at the beginning. My car, if you've seen the videos I've been filming up until now, you'll notice that, like, as soon as I hit the pedal, there's like a 1 second of lag, and then the turbo just hits like a friggin' freight train. And then at that point, I'm pretty sure my hit's gonna be consistent with his, at least at the beginning, and then hopefully it'll be like a chase where I'm just gonna reel him back in. Hopefully that's the game plan, at least as long as I get my shifts right and all that. So ready, set, go. We're gonna go from a second gear pull and see how it is. Now, I'm probably gonna spin, but whatever, we're gonna give it a shot, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We'll see how it goes.